आज भी उसी में व्यस्त थी मैं. I mean, automatically you start thinking and planning because, like I joked, I said last year I did the big birthday party. Before that, for the first birthday party for Aradhya, we kept it intimate. I was very clear that it's just with the family and with the grandparents, because when a baby turns 1, I mean, it's, I think, wonderful to just recognize your relationships and spend time. Last year, it was her second birthday party and it was huge. I invited everybody that we know and all their kids. And I joked, I said that was like her first wedding with the world. And it was really, really big. This time I'm going to keep it a mix of both, not necessarily too ostentatious, but definitely very, very intimate and a lot of fun. So I'm certainly planning her birthday on a daily basis.
Aishwarya, could you tell us something about your film?
It's not far away, and I'm working all these days, so definitely planning every day.
Could you tell us something about your film? Like, we keep hearing about your film, like you're doing a film with Sanjay Gupta.
Yes.
Little bit about it.
Yeah, this time I have something validly to talk about, because yes, the last 2 years you'll have been meeting me and I've been discussing scripts, but you know, and I'm sure everybody who's been a mother will recognize that we don't realize time flying by us, because there's so much going on, so many milestones in the growth of your child, and I love investing my time and energy completely with Aradhya. So time has flown, and I was constantly trying to fix in and zero in on a go ahead for starting work on film. And because I was also very busy with endorsements, you all meet me, so you all know. It's been taking up a lot of my time. But yes, Sanjay was saying December, Sanjay Gupta, but I've said Jan. I said let's start in January, let's roll, because I'd rather use this time for planning and getting it all together. And then by January we should roll. I'm very, very excited for Jazba. It's a very interesting team coming together, and that's going to be the first one that we're rolling with. And there are other directors also. I have okayed scripts on. I mean, it's not just in talks. Now it's an okay and a go ahead. But I did speak to them, and I think it would be more. And I was wondering whether I should announce them today. But with due respect to the directors I'm going to be working with, I shall do it with them ahead. So I don't think we should just do it all today, because I should do it with them. So today we'll talk about Sanjay Gupta's is already out there, announced. You all already know it in the media, but the other announcements I'll do it with the directors. But it's an exciting, busy year ahead, and God give me the energy. And it's going to be multitasking on another level. So
ऐश्वर्या, अभी सत्यमेव जयते का पिछला एपिसोड टीवी पेशेंट्स पे था, सुना आप भी बहुत प्रभावित रही। उन पेशेंट्स के लिए आपने भी बहुत अलग-अलग माध्यम से आप इसके लिए बात करती रही। कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
I'm sorry, I haven't got the episodes. I'm very supportive and appreciative of all the good work that is being done. But in terms of charity work going on, I mean, so many organizations have my support. और इन बातों के बारे में मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि मैं बातें कम, काम ज़्यादा में मानती हूँ। और आप लोग तो पहचानती है जब हम काम करते हैं, और जब भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस चाहते हैं कि हम पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पर आकर खुद उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ कंधे से कंधे मिलाकर उन्हें और उनकी आवाज़ को और बढ़ावा दें, तब हम आपके सामने से खड़े होते हैं। नहीं तो हमारा काम तो जारी है ही, लेकिन when the organizations believe that yes, it's time to give it a larger volume with the help of members of the media, then we indulge.
कुछ इस बर्थडे पे आपके बहुत सारे कॉलेज जुड़े हैं जिससे महिलाएं जुड़ी होती हैं,
जी,
जिनका ऐड आप करती रही है, ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रही है। तो कुछ जो इस बार आपके जो जिसके बार आप काम करना चाहेंगे?
You'll be hearing on it during this month. During this month, you'll hear on it. I won't speak about it today.
Are you also doing a lot of action in Jazba? Can we see you finally doing some nice song and dancing
अरे मतलब
in the film?
आपने तो सारे ingredients बोल दिए. Everything that makes for a Hindi film. So God willing, there is opportunity. But it's important for us to stay also true to narratives of the films we're doing. During the course of the year, in the mix of the work that I'm doing, you'll get to see all the ingredients of Hindi cinema and the kind of work I have done. But it may not all be in one film. They'll all be in a couple of movies.
Aishwarya, something really special for you. Film with Rohit Shetty or with Shah Rukh Khan. Is there something in the
Like I said, I don't think it will be prudent for me to make any announcements without the team. It won't be prudent for me to make any announcements.
Kakkar has announced a film with you and Susmita in the lead. Is it happening?
I thought it was me and Abhishek.
You and Susmita.
Wasn't it called Happy Anniversary? Sorry. But questions are here now. So I have to look at the person who's talking to me. Like I said, the announcements that need to be made on our part, we are doing. A lot of films and scripts we have run through, but the ones that are okayed will be announced as a team together. So don't jump the gun.
Aishwarya, sorry, लेकिन आप वहाँ देख के answer
I'm trying, but it's kind of fake, and I'm not fake.
Also, a lot of flowers and fruits are named after you. Don't you think it's high time that we name a wine after you because you're just getting better with age?
My God. So I don't think there's a question there.
But do you think
Do you own a vineyard?
ऐश्वर्या साल में बहुत पहले से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर स्टोरी आ रही है अब जब हैप्पी न्यू ईयर स्टोरी आज आपके लिए हैप्पी न्यू ईयर अब इस नए हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आप अपने फैंस से क्या कहना चाहेंगे वो कितने हैप्पी न्यू ईयर स्टोरी आप पढ़ देंगे
जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि ये साल मेरे लिए एक और I've always worked in cinema and I really don't even feel the time out I have taken because I have been, albeit in advertising, I have been in studios, I have been facing cameras, but yes, I'm very, very excited to be telling a story on celluloid with the director. This year is going to be a lot of work for me, and for me, personal and professional is always going to be intertwined. So it's going to be a lot of work for me personally and professionally. So definitely a very, very busy year ahead. And I thank you all for just being so wonderful and really not having made me at any point in time feel that probably, I've just not felt that there's ever been any time out or a break at all. So thank you all for all your love and support and enthusiasm. And I will work hard to give my best to whatever I take on, as I always have. And I hope it entertains you all and keeps you all happy. The efforts will be sincere and earnest as always.
What's the best birthday gift that I've got today? Because we heard that Abhishek has got something really special for you.
Acha, has he been sitting and having little tete-a-tetes with you all? Gifts and things are not something that we ever talk about, and that has never defined our relationship either. So that's something you have heard every year, and that remains consistent in our relationship. But at the risk of sounding like I'm stuck on a groove, but I think every little aspect of Aradhya's surprises is a pleasure for me, and I'm always going to be blissed out on that, I think, every time you'll talk to me.
Aishwarya, when can we have you in any social networking site and the fans can probably directly talk to you? Probably like your own Twitter handle or something like that.
Suggestions taken will be seriously considered. No, not in the least bit. No. I think that's something you don't even feel. You have so many years and just at home. So.
Aishwarya, Sanjay Gupta has given you a special teaser today for the film. Is it true?
Huh?
Sanjay Gupta has given you a special teaser on the film.
Why will he give me a teaser? But he's not giving me a teaser. I think it's just...
Okay guys, Aishwarya, one question over here. Ash, one question over here. Aishwarya, one question over here. Our Prime Minister has taken a very noble initiative on getting started giving message from tomorrow in radio. So what is your take on that? Will you give messages on radio?
विनोद आओ क्या मैं आओ क्या आगे ए सुनो यहां पे ऐश्वर्या कैमरे में मैम 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 ये साइड मैम
मैडम कटिंग ओके कट कट कट
Thank you. Take care and much love. Yes, yeah.
Happy birthday!
ऐश्वर्या जी